welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the role of a property manager in real estate. A property manager is responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of a property, including tasks such as tenant management, maintenance and repair, rent collection and compliance with local laws and regulations. In Australia, property managers typically work with residential properties such as apartments and houses, as well as commercial properties such as office buildings and rental spaces. The property manager's primary role is to ensure that the property is well maintained and that tenants are happy. This often involves coordinating with contractors to perform repairs and maintenance, as well as handling tenant complaints and requests. In addition to managing the property, a property manager is also responsible for ensuring that the property is in compliance with all relevant laws and regulations. This can include things like conducting safety inspections and ensuring that the property meets fire and building codes. A property manager is also responsible for collecting rent from tenants and managing the property's finances. This can include things like preparing budgets, tracking expenses, and making sure that the property is profitable. Overall, a property manager plays a crucial role in the real estate industry in Australia, helping to ensure that properties are well maintained and the tenants are satisfied. So, if you want to be a property manager in Australia, you must have the following qualifications. In Victoria, this entails completing the Certificate 4 in Real Estate Practice. In New South Wales, this entails completing the Assistant Agent course. You'll be able to work and operate as a property manager for an agency once you've qualified according to your state's requirements and completed the recommended formal education. So, if you're ready to enter the real estate industry as a property manager, enroll today in our real estate courses by visiting our website at education.edu.au.